In our daily life, we use many articles made up of plastics. For example, water bottles, cans, pencil box, combs, slippers, furniture, decoration pieces, etc. Why? The plastic containers are used because of their lightweight, lower price, good strength, and easy handling. Being lighter as compared to metals, the plastics are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecrafts too. Let us discuss the characteristic properties of plastics. Due to various qualities, plastics are used in our everyday life. Plastics are non-reactive. Metals like iron get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air. ரஸ்டிங்கிறது துருப்பிடிக்கிறது, இரும்பு துருப்பிடிக்கிறது ரஸ்டிங் சொல்கிறோம். பட் plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corroded. They do not react with water and air. So they do not corrode easily. They are used to store various materials including many chemicals because of this property. Plastic is very light, strong, durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. It is used for various purposes. They are generally cheaper than metal. So they are widely used in industry and household articles. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That's why the handles of screwdrivers and handles of frying pans are made up of plastic. A special plastic cookware is used in micro ovens for cooking food because in micro ovens the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Teflon is a special plastic on which water and oil do not stick. It is used for non-sticking coating on cookwares. Melamine is a plastic contained on uniforms of firemen to make them fire resistant. Plastics and the environment. When we go to the market, we usually get things wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags. This is why plastic waste keeps getting accumulated in our homes. Disposal of plastic is a major problem. Why? Materials are of two types. One is biodegradable, another one non-biodegradable. Biodegradable is a material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria and other microbes like fungi. Non-biodegradable is a material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes. Plastics take several years to decompose, thus causes environmental pollution. Burning of plastics releases lot of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere and causes air pollution. In addition to the slow burning, the plastic does not get completely burned. So, plastic is not environmental friendly. How can we solve the problem? Avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. Recycle plastic waste, especially the thermoplastics which can be recycled. Collect biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste separately. Carelessly thrown polythene wrappers of food and bags may cause clogging of drains and choking respiratory system of animals like cows, resulting in their death. So avoid these things. The best way is to follow 4R principle, namely reduce the usage of plastics, reuse the plastics, recycle them, then recover. Students, today's homework, chapter number 3, question number 5. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Answer: advantages of plastic containers. A. Plastics do not react with food items. B. Plastics are strong and light. C. They are easy to handle and safe. Question number 7. Explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastic. A. Saucepan handles. B. Electric plugs, switches, blackboards. Answer: A. The handles of saucepans are made of thermosetting plastic because it is a bad conductor of heat and do not get heated up while cooking. B. Electric plugs, switches, blackboards are made up of thermosetting plastic because it is a bad conductor of electricity. The electric current does not pass through such plastics.